Hello, this is a tutorial on how we can edit and create using syntax in SPSS. Instead of using button, we are using syntax command. Okay, first, analyze, correlate, bivariate. Okay, and subset, insert our variables, fa- fatality rate and January temperature. Instead of clicking OK, we click paste. Okay, so this is our um, syntax editor. Okay, to run the analysis, highlight the syntax and then click on the tiny box marked triangle. So we highlight it and there you go. Okay, let's look further. Number 2, define a simple regression. Okay, analyze regression linear. Analyze regression linear. Okay, so this is the dependent and independent since we are doing linear right now. Linear regression. Okay. Statistic, choose estimate, variable, and descriptive model fit. Okay, so all is tick. And again, instead of clicking OK, we click paste. So if we see at the syntax now, it's appear some command at the regression. All right, next. Number 3. Now we are going to run a regression model, which is consists of multi-regression. Okay, I want us to copy and paste the regression statement. So this is the regression statement. And now add variable density and guess use. So we are going to copy, paste, and add our command density and guess use. Make sure we put spacing, density, guess use, and full stop. Okay, if we see now our output here, it's only consisting of correlation, right? So because we haven't run the regression for linear, now we are going to run both regression, linear and multi-linear. There you go. So we have regression for simple linear regression and multilinear regression. Yeah, so this is just how we do it. Give it a try and comment down below. Thank you.